Okay, we should be live. At least in a minute here. Open up the chat. There we go. Live chat, not the top janky stanky. Okay. So, where I left off was me adding window capture here. Actually, no, I'll just, I'll go to the main thing here and uncomment the thing where it, like, moves the window. Okay. So, yeah, I was doing, like, water stuff, but, I made the water droplets a bit dummy thick. And, yeah, I'm just gonna completely ditch, this thing here, because this is not ideal by any stretch. I mean, it kind of looks okay, I guess. But, yeah, no, it's not remotely like what I want it to look like. So instead, I'm going to opt in for this. Let me... First, I want to load a better map. I say better map, but I mean like a clean map. One that I haven't butchered yet. Airless, what up? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. So, we be doing some janky water stuff. I'll show you this real quick at the... I think I'm too far over. Dang it. Well, anyway, yeah, it's not ideal. So we're going to be completely redoing the way that it works. And how I'm going to do that is first going to the folder. Project 1. IMG. Not IMG. What? Yeah, so... or wherever the heck else this gets exported at. So if you save as the image, it gets put in a place that I do not want to put it. So I'll put it in home, William. Alright, GIMP. Okay, my Windows key does not work anymore. That's not GIMP, but okay. Fine. Fine, I get it. I get it, man. What is going on? Stop janking, dude. Sudo DNF install. Okay. Ah, you're on your way home? Hope you have a safe trip on your way home. Last metadata expiration check. But it doesn't show, so... that's weird. Alright. So I'm going to open up the Pimpery stack. I knew I had GIMP installed, so I don't know what's going on with GIMP. It just doesn't, like, want to show. Alright. So how we're going to do this is we're going to add, like, a spray paint sort of effect everywhere that we want our water to be. And I will always do this right here. So I'm just going to do this. Like that. And I will take and select the moon and the sun and everything that seems like fun. Just I can find the color select tool. What? Hold on, my brain just shat itself. Alright, let me get rid of, kind of like untile these. Let's see. I forgot how to do that. It should be in interface, use compact sliders, we can get rid of that. Well, um, toolbox. Use tool groups? No. There we go. Alright, so now I want to select only the blue. It's all blue areas. And invert selection and then delete. So now we have basically this. And again, I could have also just as easily done this. And then that. But yeah, so what I want to do is have this based on like the overall opacity of this and the brightness. So we'll stick with that. Oh, so much better, Airless, on a whole new league. Like, I'm talking a brand new, like, an insane level of difference. Yeah, you're gonna flip. Let me see this. Okay, so I need to, no, I already had it. So I need to, what is happening? Why? Huh? Okay. That layer seems to have been, what is going on? Why can't I? Oh, it was too low. Dagnabbit. Okay. Yeah, there we go. I had the opacity too low. Okay, so now I'm going to do color erase. Here for it? Oh, I can't wait till you see it. Ah, it's going to be so good. Oh. And I messed up down here, but you know what? This is just for a template, so we're gonna pretend like that didn't happen. Okay, so I need to get rid of anything that isn't here. Okay, you know what? I have another idea then. I will select all that is green. I will now invert this selection, and that should, yes. What? Oh, yeah, no. So now I can just, what am I doing, dude? I can just do this. Where's the erase? There it is. Eraser. okay, no, that is water, so I want to keep that. You know what? That'll do fine. I mean, I don't need it to be like this insane. Alright. This will be my water map, so I'm going to export it to files. Project 1. Gee. Do you know how many parallel events you can run on a map before MZ has trouble? That depends on your CPU. So, like, it really depends on, like, per computer, but usually a lot. Probably, like, 5, maybe 600 should be. Unless it's badly optimized. In which case, you can use a generator function to give them all an offset timer in a way. Where'd my brain go? Okay, yeah, pictures, we'll say water map 5. So the HW Beast River thing is going on halt, and we are instead gonna do HW Beast Mizu. Oh, speaking of, dagnabbit, son of a hooker. I keep doing this. Do I need to use a, I hope I don't have to. Okay. I need to do my Duolingo. Oh yeah, that is a ton of events. Which one is rice? That'd be Gohan.
Gohan.
Ai, watashi or both.
Watashi.
Want.
Hoshii.
Outside. Soto.
Soto.
House. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is weird because it's also no. English, ego.
英語。今はちょうど10時半です。
I can't hear that.
僕の名前は田中茂。
僕は名前は Okay. My name is Shigeru Tanaka.
お茶は飲みません。
お茶は飲みます. Oh, I do not drink tea. Well, then let's eat. いただきます。
いただきます。
じゃあ、いただきます。Dagnabbit.
5時です。
I wanted that mini initially, but people might create them farming games. Oh, I got you. Yeah, you'd be better off like working with some kind of like some kind of plugin for that because Goldi desu.
5時。
Yeah, it would mean it is 5 o'clock. No, that should be accepted. You hooker. I guess technically not, but okay. So 808 would be Hach
8
G Hach.
8
I better not have to have Desu here. Hachifun? What? Wachiji Hapun. This better be accepted, dude. What? Hachiji Hapun. Why? Why the poon? Alright. Hi.
はい。
Apparently, no, I cannot. Okay, so we're gonna do hi. I can speak Japanese would be Nihongo
日本語
ga
が
Hanasen.
話しています。
Well then, let's eat. じゃあいただきます。
いただきます5時です
5時です。It's 5 o'clock. Hey chocolate, what's up girl? Yeah, so that'd be Hachi G. Wait. Where's Harpoon? What?
8分
Hachi Boon? This?
です
What? Okay. I'll take it. Ugh. And now it's time to duel. To give my baby girl some loving. What you doing, girl? You heard Daddy talking. You wanna come say hi? Yeah. You want a co-host? You do. What you gonna program? Should I get a boo-boo cam? Oh, Tayra, hello, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. No, I am the exact opposite of new to RPG Maker. I've been using RPG Maker since I was in high school, and I am now 33 years old. I'm kind of addicted to it. But yeah, we do all kinds of fun stuff. Mostly programming now because the limits on eventing have slowly dwindled over the years. So yeah, we do like water stuff. I did fireworks at some point. I'm working on GPU computation. This is pretty cool, but it's basically a way to Unity's. Wait, Unite's been announced? Hold on. I think my mouse is sensitive. Can I like not do a new? Okay, fine. 4. RPG Maker Unites. Hold on, we gotta watch the trailer for this real quick. I mean, anticlimactic at this point, but. Okay, not gonna lie. On Unity's asset store. Oh. You're still a bit new. You use MB right now. Currently building my own game at the moment. Nice. Tell me about the game. Coming in April there first. I had the Fry like sus look when April and First were like together in the same vicinity. Yeah, this does look kind of good. Characters? Yeah, they did what they could with what they had. I mean, they're not horrible. Check it out, you got your region still. Oh, this is awesome. Hold on, let's see if I can read that. I can, okay, all to, is that Ta or Ta? I can't. Okay, all to, yeah, I can't read that. April 6th, gotcha. This I love. Just in general, this kind of like creation is just really nice. This visual scripting, dude, and when used right, it can be insanely powerful. Anyway, moving back to the thing. HW Beast Mizu. Oh, no, not yet. Right now we're doing hyper-realistic water, and it's basically, I laid the foundation out during testing, and I thought that this was gonna be like the way to do it, but let me show you like what we had before, but it is absolutely not the way to do it. It looks kind of good, but it doesn't quite live up to expectation. Now, what I'm gonna do here next is there's gonna be reflections, and yeah, you'll see. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be really cool. I want to go back to the forest, however. And now I'm gonna get rid of all these plugins. I'll worry about making HW Beast a thing later, but music. Okay, sit in there. Yeah, I know. Trust me, it's gonna look amazing when it's done. Alrighty, my ferret's back for more love. Hey, girl. You want to get up on the desk, hang out with Daddy a little bit more? I do. Oh, you got itchy? Right. Ooh, right there, huh? Yeah, look at that leg kicking. Oh. Yeah, we had HD rain and all kinds of other cool stuff. Making you miss your girls? Oh. Doggies? Puppers? Puddings? Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, you had putties. Kitty. I kind of hope that people puts up a decent RPG Maker from these. They have a bad reputation all over the... Yeah, definitely. So, I'm actually working with a friend client, and what he has going, what I'm coding for him is sick! Dude, you can't even tell that it's RPG Maker, dude. Like, his sprite skills are just on a whole new level. Like, his pixel art is insane. Both in and out of the membrane. In the right chocolate. Yeah. Alright. Can I put it down now? Yeah. Oh, I can't have that. That's my Coke. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna go get a fresh creamer. Alright, come on. Yeah, that's what it was. She was telling me she wanted some cereal and creamer. Yeah, the isometric one, and there's also another one. Which, by the way, after doing the isometric, we're turning the other thing into isometric as well. What's that little white chunk? That's triggering me. What is that? Huh. Alright, water. You know what, we'll do it through a plugin command instead of the metadata. Or better yet, we can do it like Switch based. So we'll say, for now, let's do this. What was the file name? Water Map 5. Okay, Water Map 5. Class scene. Wait. Scene map equals class extends scene map. Can you check the stream? Yo, Game Ham, what up? Tell Hamtaro I said hi. And where's my $5? Hamtaro owes me $5 for the oregano. That's stop. I'm a little crazy with mine. I added some random weather, and see, that's awesome. Going crazy is a good thing. Trust. High ambition can usually lead to amazing discoveries, but it can also lead to quick burnout. I agree. Then fine, how you doing? I'm pretty good, good. Okay, start. Super dust. What? Super dust start. Okay, we will do just that water sprite. Well, not that, but close enough. Tira. /XRM has a bad reputation due to crappy games being made with them. Plus, most people don't realize you end up having to stay within the constraints a lot. Facts. Absolute facts. Like a Pokemon game, take the way you need the actors to act is to change how the code deals with actor objects. Yes. It's a pretty long one, so I'm not really far into it. I've asked a handful of people to help make maps for me. You're the only person I've seen stream RPG Maker. Yeah, unfortunately, besides me, Driftwood, and Studio Blue, there's a couple more. I can't think of their names right now, but yeah, there's like a handful of us that like really specialize in RPG Maker. That really like focus on RPG Maker, and we may be few, but we are all good people. At least I hope. As for mapping, if you want to get good at mapping, I recommend going to check out Bender Waffles. He did some like amazing stuff in the past. Sprint. What? No. Image manager. Not load. Bitmap. Gonna load that bitmap now. Alright. This bitmap will be a bitmap of bitmap things. Let's do load picture for now. Should we make a custom folder for this? Like, should we go high end on this, or should we just like do what works and then call it? Because you know, Driftwood Gaming. Use Day Nexus for. I got you. Level up design isn't good. Let him know. Level up design. Am I subscribed to them? If not, I will go do that now. YouTube.com/ I am not. I am now. Hog Zombie game? Yes. Yeah, Hog Zombie is dope. MB to MZ. I stream my progress so I can archive my work. See, that's awesome. What time do you like normally stream? Because if I'm on around the same time, I'll try to catch you. But it did call it water map. This is why you plan. Alright, yeah, water map. This dot sprite set dot tile map dot add child. This dot water sprite, and then this dot water sprite dot z equals 2. So it should be like below the homie G. Yeah, okay. That's what we're wanting. And okay, core. This I do need to keep though, so I guess I will enable the core thing. Wait, I had multiple load shaders? When did I do that? See, this is why. This is why you organize and plan, which I do not. Alright. These are yes. Now how do I extract the thing again? Okay, I'm gonna have to take a lesson from my old, I don't know why that happens. Like, the open thing opens behind. It's overrated. I agree. Time zone? Eastern? Heck yeah, Eastern hype. That's where I'm at right now. It'd be 3:21 a.m., but that's totally not the reason. No idea what I want to do. Yeah, I got you. I mean, that's definitely not the reason that we end up confused like a mother, right? I agree with that. Yeah, that's perfectly perfectionated. That's a thing, I guess. I think it was here that I had it. Son of a hooker. I'll find it eventually, I promise. And then once I do, I am not forgetting this time. Here we go. This is it. Last render texture. Pixie.texture up from. That's literally it? Okay. This dot sprite texture equals. You know what? Hey, we'll just do that. Yeah. This dot last render texture equals this dot app dot view. Okay. Update. this dot, wait, well, super dot update first. Dang, hope you have fun with it. This week is gonna be, last week I'm streaming on Thursday and Friday. I have another game I'm picking up the following week. I got you. Hey. Game dev is all about the fun of it. Because if you're in game dev for the business of it, you're most likely not going to be using RPG Maker. No offense to RPG Maker, it's great, but unless you're like making a like generic bootleg hentai game or something, then it's probably not going to make much money. Unless you're very, very passionate about it and like you really, really go to the lengths of making it like shine, like you do good marketing. That's actually the critical part is marketing. Like no matter how bad a game is, if you can get the word out, then like it, yeah, you're most likely you're gonna be making at least like a half bank out of it at the minimum. Like Violated Heroine, I forgot about that. Yeah, like that and Itoshi Kokoro and all that stuff. Alright. Now we're gonna do this dot water sprite dot x equals negative game map dot display x times game map dot tile width. I'm actually gonna encapsulate that. Height. I mean, you're not wrong. So let's see if this follows us. It should. It should like follow the map now. Yes. Okay. It is indeed sticking to the map. So what this right here is going to be doing soon, we're actually going to be writing a filter now. And this is going to be reflecting and distorting at the same time. Whatever like the current hooker is being drawn. You'll see. It's going to look amazing. So to make that happen, I am going to steal this. Because I'm just going to redo the Beast Core like off camera, so I'm just going to be stealing its functions real quick. The hooker. Const rotator equals async. Oh, yeah. Needed to find this ahead of time. Okay. There's a severe pollution problem. Hentai is a pollution. The movie version, kind of figuring out why it's so buggy. Everything uses common events, and sometimes the software can't remember some of the common events at once. I got you. Yeah. RM do be jank sometimes. It do be like that. Alright, so and I guess I'll still do the flowing water shader. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Okay. Water filter equals load shader. Oh, well. First we just do the load shader. Water, wait. Flowing water vert frag. This dot water filter equals new pixie dot filter. I meant everything in the water. Oh! I thought you were talking about like the games that are currently plaguing Steam that were made in RPG Maker that are just literal cash grabs. And now, okay, what should this be called? Screen texture. This dot water. Wait. Graphics dot graphics. Stop. Class render texture. This dot water sprite. I've been working on editing Gamefly's keyboard config so that it allows the player to map controller buttons, but I broke the plugin. Oh yeah, programming will absolutely be like that. Like, no questions asked. It'll just be like, hey, I'm gonna ruin your day now, or I'm gonna make your day the best day. It's never in between. Filters. This dot water filter. That should be good. And now we just need to do in the update. Wait, water filter. We'll use the ternary operator right now. I would optimize it, but I'll optimize it later. I just want to see this in action, dude. It's gonna be amazing. C+ language is, yes, C++ is, well, kinda. It uses like a different way to handle arrays than like one might be traditionally used to. Instead, it uses vectors and stuff. And at first, that could be like pretty intimidating and stuff, but for the most part, it's an okay like language to get into. Like as far as difficulty wise, it's not like really hard, but it's also not easy. The hardest language that I've ever tried is assembly, which is weird because it's also the easiest. Assembly is mostly like a memory game. My brain is full of holes if talking about programming in general. Yes. If you find somebody that is not confused at some point, like when talking about coding, then they're not human. They are an alien, and you need to harvest them for their knowledge. I don't know how that works, but uniforms dot. Well, not ternary operator. I called this a ternary operator. Dang it. That's not what this is. Uniforms dot. Screen texture equals graphics dot class render texture. I don't know if we have to reset this. It might automatically update it, but who knows. So now we're going to be editing the shaders stuff. Where are you? Alright, we only need to edit the fragment thing. I'm going to open you on the side here. Okay. Rename water texture to screen texture. Get rid of all this real quick. And then replace the word rain with prev for previous render. And this is going to have to become default RGBA. Okay, so frag color equals new color. Okay. Vec4 new color equals texture use sampler v text. Let's do vec2 v texture core dot x plus cosine prev brightness divided by pi. What pi equals, and then retexture core dot y plus sine prev brightness divided by pi. And that ends that one. Yes, okay. And then we will do divided by the results of screen width divided by previous brightness. I don't know why I called it previous brightness though, but whatever. So already this is going to be a bit weird. It's not going to be like animated or anything, but it is going to be really silly looking. Ow. That's not even remotely close to what I was hoping for. Okay, new color dot a is now going to be equal to pred dot a. No, default dot a. Oh no, duh! This needs to be screen texture like that. Flashback. All right, so it's gonna look weird at first. Why is the previous texture not being rendered right? Equals pre divided by 2. Why? Is this just not being updated? Why? Okay, so no, it is definitely being updated. Huh. So why is it not properly doing the thing? Is this not updated? No, that's definitely being updated. Huh. So, hit the last render texture. Huh. Why is it just a black screen, dude? It should be working. We have preserved drawing buffer, auto start as false, blah blah, like we normally would. Let's return to pixie.texture.from. Is it because I'm updating it here and not here? Well, how about, what if I do this then? Pixie.texture.from. Oops, that needs to be... Void moment, yes. Bar looks better than on that playtest. Gosh. Yeah, okay, so our preserved drawing buffer is not working. Graphics dot pixie dot settings dot preserve. What? Render options. Preserve drawing buffer is on. Oh, I think I know. Dang it. Okay, this needs to be before the on tick. I think. If not, then I will just steal my own previous code, which I was already trying to do, and apparently I failed at. Huh. Dang, dude. Okay, let me try this. Try manually calling it here. No? Why are you not working, dude? You... JavaScript still has its usual bugs. Pretty much. It can't be because of the timing, right? Just set timer equals 0. T. We'll just call it T equals 0. This.t plus plus. If this.t %2 equals 1, then we'll update the thing. So this is going to be updating like at a whopping 30 FPS. Yeah, it's just not applying it as the thing. Why? It's because the V-texture core, isn't it? That's gonna be a problem. Okay. This will, in fact, be a bit tricky, because we need to... Actually, I have no earthly idea. Hold on. Let's see. This stop filters equals water filter. Nope, it's not because of the V-texture cord. Imagine doing all of this on Unreal Engine and make Link's Awakening that comes out buggy. Oh, speaking of Unreal, so that's not it at all. Anyway, speaking of Unreal, I've actually been somewhat getting into that. So, what if we just do this then? Pixie.texture.from graphics.app.view. The Pixie texture cache should prevent it from, why is it not working, man? How did I do this? This is the Create Pixie app. That's for the thing. When you're confused by your own code. None of that. Oh! Oh, and maybe, but what we did different here. Alright, I need to throw in the scene boot thing. Right here. And then graphics.copy texture equals graphics.app. Okay, that's what it is. And we can get rid of that. We can get rid of that. Well, we don't need to. We can just do Pixie. Wait, graphics.app.ticker.add graphics.update last render. Yeah, we can just do that. Add that there. Undefined reading updates. What are you talking about? Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, we should be good now. Or not. Okay, why? Because, dude, I mean, it's right here, so... Why? Why in the world? Does this automatically try to add itself? No, it doesn't. So, huh? Okay. Create, render, copy. Oh. Well, I forgot the second argument in the ticker add. Do you have broken code? I always have broken code. Since, like, I want to be the lantern or flashlight. I misread that. I got dyslexia like a mother right there. To go out at some point instead of working like light source. Yeah, that's doable through variables. If you wanted to, you can have like a variable represent like the brightness, and it constantly decreases over time by using a parallel process. It can be pretty fun to poke around with that. Alright, so at the scene boot, then we're gonna do graphics dot create hooker. You're welcome. I can show you if you want. Why? Okay. This is getting on my nerves now. Yeah, update UVs. An update. What even just happened there? Okay, this is dumb, dude. I was able to do this before, so why can't I do it now? Probably because I'm streaming it. Yeah, no, this is all perfect right here. This... Yeah, see, we're the light uniform here. That thing is already working. That was working in the past. Last render equals last render, which just returns this here. Copy texture. So yeah, pixie.texture.from graphics.app.render.view. It's so confusing, the code. I know, right? That's partially my fault, because like I did everything like unorganized. But I don't know, maybe my brain's just too dang tired for this. You know what? Let's move on to playing a little bit of Octopath 2 before we end the stream. I'll get back to this like when my brain's less fried, which is basically never. So. Yeah, you guys want to watch some Octo 2? Or should we just end it? Because I know like some people don't want to watch spoilers and stuff. It's like 10 a.m. here for me. Oh, you live in Finland? Nice. For me, it's like, what, 4? Yeah, 3:52. Where was I? Oh yeah, I just now finished Hikari's 3rd chapter, and I completed Ochette. Like Ochette's storyline is done. Should we move on to thing, or should we just explore? I feel like we should explore. Can I go back here yet? Like if I go, let me try. Well, what's okay with higher end game dev companies? They do use Unreal, but they don't use the editor. Like, generally they will not use like the standard like Unreal editor or anything like that. They'll be using like raw C++, kind of. Like they'll be making their own sort of engines or using already existing engines that make use of all of Unreal's technology. So they have like more control over like what gets rendered when and why. This is how the water's gonna look, by the way, whenever I'm done with it, if I can ever figure out why the stupid screen render thing doesn't want to work now. But yeah, that is beautiful water right there, dude.
Here we go.
They probably couldn't figure it out. When you're using like Unreal Engine for like without the editor, and you're using it just for like professional use and stuff, you 99.999% of the time will be confused because documentation will either be huge or non-existent. So it could be like a real pain to work with.
What to do?
And like more often than not, most of the time that goes into like developing a game in that kind of circumstance is actually understanding the thing that you're working with. It's less putting the game together and more figuring out like workspace optimizations,
Here I come.
efficient like teamwork and all kinds of stuff like that. It's probably still blocked off, right? Yeah. Okay. I imagine we'll go here after completing what's this thing? Huh? Tadaimo. Tadaimo? What does that mean? Tadaimo. Oh, ma. Tadaima? Or is that mo or ma? I can't tell. I need to practice actually like reading the Nihongo, hiragana and katakana more.
Time to clean up the filth.
Oh, tadaima. I got you. Welcome home. Yeah, so earlier my brain just basically fried. So I was like, alright, you know what? We'll just enjoy some Octo 2 gameplay. I am gonna get back to it though. I'm just taking a small break. And this time I'm not gonna end the stream early. I was thinking about it, but then I'm like, okay, yeah, I already completed hers. What you think is cool? Nice. And then only certain areas will be able. Yeah. Yeah. Also, for the game I'm doing, I'm planning on next part of a section. I'm sorry, I missed all that. See, that's cool. I like that. So, Tayra. I know some people had troubles with Unreal Engine 4. Was that the only one that had issues? I have no idea.
Needn't worry about that, Nagero. I've taken care of it. If he ever returns home, I'll have his head.
Okay.
The Dark Blood, sacred treasure of Clan Crew. Stained red by the countless souls.
Omelette douche fromage. What?
A weapon that only I am worthy.
Weapon that only I am worthy to be.
His low-born
I wonder if this
mother
idiot realizes he's possessed.
Mikado will never truly be of Clan Crew. His impure blood is destined to be nothing more than rust on my blade.
Maybe we should take more inspiration from this game and start like working on in the future, like working on shaders and stuff that resemble this, that aren't like quick workarounds, but like are actually really good. The one that I would have the hardest time with though would be the hexagon blur thing. I don't know how that works, so I had to do like a lot of research on it. I think I already robbed everyone here. Pretty sure I did. I review? Did. I review it did. Ah, hidden item, hello. I don't mind if I do, yes. Ooh. I'll take it. Dang, I have a bunch of nut that I need to... We're not doing that. Alright. Invigorate. Okay, all of this is going to go to... Wait, he needs SP pretty badly. You know what? F it. Oh, chat's getting everything. Oh, chat gonna be OPAF. Golly, what kind of boost did she just get? And she gets a candy. Everyone gets candy. Never mind, Hikari ate all the candy. What's her stats like right now? This is gonna be crazy. You guys ready? Good God! Her stats compared to anybody else is just gonna be... I knew it was gonna be insane, but... Oh, I did not know it was gonna be that insane. Candy addict moment. Slippery nut. Deck not but airless. Or more weather shaders? Yes! I like the dust effects that are going, like with the snow. Like, you know, you got like this, the snow dust that's kind of blowing. And the particles. And the, what do you call that? That lighting style that, like diffuses everything. I like that. So you had an issue, you tried SRD's HUD maker and in the courtroom scene, and it suddenly stopped working. Come to find out, Gameplay Valor Core broke. Yeah, that's another unfortunate thing about, well, basically any plugin that's ever made. Compatibility. For whatever reason, it's weird because, like, usually there's only like a couple of ways to alias a function, right? But for some unknown mysterious reason, when you alias a function and somebody else aliases it, more often than not, they will either conflict or they didn't make it so that it would alias, rather they overrode it to begin with. And it can be really, really, really difficult to deal with. Or it can be really easy, but
You will not pass.
either way it's a pain.
By Our Lady's command.
By Our Lady's command.
Be escorted by force.
Try me, bruh.
You were a vassal to Rhyme.
Like, if something is made, there's always compatible. Yes, pretty much.
Is that so?
Well, there's more coding.
You would speak, then allow your blade to do the talking.
Yo, he kind of does sound like Metallica.
Victim.
The, one dude. But wait, who from Metallica, though? Who are you thinking? Let's see if it's one I'm thinking. I actually don't know their names. Let's see. Should we just one-shot them? Yeah, let's do it. Never mind.
What to do? Well, well.
That was puny. Okay.
Well now.
They can have it blue
Here I
ordering.
go. A risky death. Ah, there. What to do? A risky death.
Oh, that works, I guess.
Now it begins.
I don't need... Well, yeah, I do.
May my arrow strike through.
Give me that JP, bruh. Alright, you know what? Let's use her overpowered skill of doom.
Ready, set,
If he does survive this, his health is gonna be I mean, his status.
What to
yeah.
do?
Elemental bomb bottle, why
Ready
not?
for a surprise?
Prepare yourself.
Should I collect from him? I got plenty of money. How should we finish him off? Let's do aggressive slide.
Sings for the pride.
Not Ace Attorney like, but that's fine. Can't be exact. Zornay is looking mighty fine. Oh yeah, she's a very distinguished individual right now.
You haven't lost your skill.
You don't want to be exact.
Now,
Put more
let
of
me
yourself into it.
cast.
I agree.
That's enough.
I strongly agree.
My lady.
How long?
What time is it? 4 or 5? Yeah. Alright, so at about 4:30, I'll get back into it. But I'll be right back. 1 sec. Alrighty, I'm back. Bidding should work similarly, but code wouldn't. I have no earthly idea what it means, so I'm gonna catch up in the chat. Tips Pandora, my lady. Oh yeah. Ruby is not equal to Jess. No. So I'll show you how to do like random weather.
Raimei, for the sake of our nation's future, I must see him dethroned. So I come to you. I would have your spear by my side, the spear of Leto. Together we can bring an end to Mugen's tyranny. Please, friend. I fear we cannot do this without the strength of Clan May.
That's the extent of your Ubi knowledge. I feel you. You know, it'd be really cool if we can use like regular expression to make a thing that converts Ruby into JavaScript. I can kind of do that.
His Majesty.
Maybe that's what we should do after the break.
Any who find
Yeah, just to see like how well it would go.
and so now I place my faith
It'd be like TS, kind of, yeah.
Call down the heavens.
Replacing the transponder. Yeah, that's a good idea too. But what you would do though, ideally, is you would use. Well, golly, somebody just got.
I'll allow no one to harm Clan Dead.
The friggin' Wrath of Thor, dude.
Right.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Hikari.
Light.
Hikari.
I mean, I got banned from Reddit. He's talking about Hikari when Hikari got struck by lightning.
Mother? Where am I?
Where aren't I? Okay, I'm getting some Breath of Fire 4 vibes here. Like when Foul Lu
We must greet our
was severely damaged and like thrown off the bridge. You know what I'm talking about?
Mother.
And like he woke up at this Bunyan looking dude's place. I think it was Bunyan.
Are you ready, Ryan? Today, our clan swears fealty.
The nearest dungeon is where they are probably.
Clan May shall be the spear which leads the charge into the future. It shall be
Actually
the
send back the zip folder from that tutorial. It was in the instructions, but I didn't. Oh, no, you're good. You're good. You can if you want, if you're done with it.
future
But I'll take your word for it that you are
bloodless future.
well versed in that now.
Keep that future in your mind's eye as you serve Clan Ku.
I will, brother.
I should grade it though, I guess. It'd be, just to keep consistency, but who's good at coding in Atari Basic?
I am Jin May.
I mean, I can probably pick it up, but I haven't actually coded in
We
it, but
swear fealty to Clan Ku.
yeah, Basic isn't that difficult to get into. Then again, I say, like, I feel like once you've dove into assembly a little bit, any other language becomes easy, including, especially Basic. Basic is, like, from what I can tell, well, Basic.
It would be an honor, my prince.
But yeah, you have your standard variable creation, your standard for loops and function creation.
There is no
Um,
need for formalities among us.
Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard to get into.
Be a good one.
I'm going to be using the excuse of assembly being like this almighty language
Show no
for a long
hesitation,
time, but
Master Hikari. The moment you draw your sword,
I would not.
hesitation at mercy.
Only because I haven't seen Atari Basic, but I do know of Basic itself. It's always nice to make music in your own game. Yes. Speaking of. Okay, Hikari, you're gonna have to wait a sec. I want your guys' opinion on something. So, let me open up LMS. Okay, you know what? We'll do Octopath later. I just want to enjoy this right now. Which one was it? Okay, well here's Final Fantasy X Otherworld. So I carefully crafted actual guitar sounds. So I was wondering, like, what do you guys think of that? Is it decent? Okay, no, that's not the one that I wanted to show. I think it was Final Boss. Yeah, it's actually like a battle track. Like, how's the quality of the guitar? You'll hear it a lot here. Dang, that's fire, dude. Oh, I know. Hold on, let me mute this. I'm looking for like. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know. I'm looking for like Final Fantasy 8 and up ish era of guitar, like I don't know, like anything metal. Hold on, let me show you like this one. No. I think my audio on OBS is also like set to low, unfortunately. Hold on, I gotta hear the audio back. You know what? We'll do that later. We'll focus on it later. The decisive battle for Final Fantasy VI? Oh my gosh, dude. You ain't kidding? Let's see. Alright, I'm about to get back to code in a minute, but look at all these tracks that I have been making, like, my gosh. Yeah, so many things that I have not, worked on. I need to continue this one. Nah, I mean, to be fair, it's over a long period of time. Deep and deep. All your hopes and dreams. Everything that looks like a car. Fighting dreamers. Yeah, bro, this right here, yeah, that's, I'm actually using an NES, plugin. Inside, I wonder far and wide. Gets me again. Okay, bye game. Change the world. Na, 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 na. Yeah, I have all kinds of like little one-off projects that I haven't like messed with too much. Let's see. The suplex a train thing. I'm missing the Chrono Hot and the Sonic Go sound. Anyway, what do you guys say we get back to RPG Maker? So do we want the weather thing, or are we gonna try and fix the okay, GP Hawk engine? I'm just gonna like straight up rip the Hawk engine thing over here. Just go my way. Dude, as soon as I said that, I read your comment, Arrows. It says lead the way. That was perfect. Na, 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 na. Boat-sized coconut. Gara's a butthole lemon. Alright. The event process would... Oh! So, you're about the weather thing. If you go to common events, and I'll just make a number one here. Rando weather. This is gonna be a parallel, and you're gonna want to make sure that you have a switch for it. So we'll say rand weather. So you're gonna have this switch. You're gonna have to turn this switch on, like the moment your game starts. Okay. So then, what you're gonna do? You're gonna have a few variables here. I'm gonna name this variable weather switch. Oops. And we're also gonna need well, I think we just need weather switch actually. No, we also need weather type. So the weather type, you'll do 0 for rain, 1 for snow, and that kind of thing. So the weather switch will be added by a random between 0 and 2. Is that required for the party plugin? What? What do you mean? Oh, no, it's not. No, the party plugin, that's right, I never finished that, did I? I can't remember, did I finish that? I am smart. Yeah, so we're gonna do a conditional branch, and variable, if weather switch is equal to, let's say, 240. All right, it's very fast, so you're probably gonna want to do like 1,000 realistically, or higher. Oh, I need to look at that. Yeah, I need to find out why. But the party plugin itself, it should not interfere with the save thing at all. Try disabling like all my other stuff besides that one. So if it is, we're gonna set the weather switch back to 0. Then we're gonna do another conditional branch. We're gonna check and see weather type. So if weather type is 0, then it's gonna rain. If it's 1, it's gonna snow. Okay. Then we'll do... Oh, and we also need to check and see if it's already raining. So, we'll have we'll have a second switch here. Is active. Wait. Weather active. We'll call it weather active. So if it's on, come on. Then we will stop it from raining by doing set weather effect. None. And then we will set the switch for weather active. We will turn that off. Some won't go the extra mile to duplicate the map for snow. You could duplicate it, or you can use the change tile set option. So we're gonna turn that off. We are fighting dreamers. Takumi wa merashi no fighting dreamers. So then we're gonna turn it on in the else. So this is gonna be rain. Wait, that's not rain. And this is gonna be snow. Okay, damn it. Is that Bleach or Naruto? That's Naruto. I forget the name of the song, but it's like one of the openings. My favorite Bleach opening is opening number 6. Yeah, that's a good one though. I like that one. Oh, this one has to be snow, not rain. But yeah, you do this right here, and you're gonna want to have a thing that checks and sees if you're indoors as well. But this went and duplicated the map. Transfer point and RNG rolled up the number. Transfer point goes. Hey, yeah, that's a good way to do it. Okay, so I need to. Fighting dreamers. The boating on gets me again. Dang it. Now I got anime songs stuck in my head. Your boyfriend keeps singing that one. Naoki, I keep not recognizing it. I got you. Which one? The Oreta? Or is the Fighting Dreamers one? It also saved on having so many events in the same map too. Definitely. Most definitely. Saw a cocoa. This should work now, dude. Yeah. I have no idea why it wasn't working before, but it is now. I just need to make it go in the water. We need to go into the water. Tile sets. Tile set, tile set, tile set. We're not doing that. Okay, outside. I want to change the world. This is bootleg. Not really. Yeah, Alon's. Drew me in. Oh, dude. There's a couple other good ones as well. Okay, so now that this is working, he wants to question everything. What in the hooker? Okay, so wine. Okay, yeah, there we go. So the new color now be filter.uniforms delta x plus equals 0.01 delta y. Okay. what? Okay, so I know it's working, but I can't get it to distort for some reason. Is that because of the... Yeah, that's what I thought. Dagnabbit. Okay. See, if I do this, then it's gonna distort properly. Or it won't. What? Hold on. Why? Okay, it's not updating the... Okay, so now it is updating it. How'd you get there? What? What? Alrighty, I apparently... I'm dumb. Delta X 0, Delta Y 0, screen width, graphics.width, screen height, graphics.height. I want to change the world. Why are you walking on the water? Where's the collision? I got rid of it. Collision is for people who collide. Why are you not... This doesn't make any bit of sense to me at all. Why is screen texture... Why does that do that? What? Hold on. No, dude. Something actually weird is happening. And not froze. Why? Wait a second. Dagnabbit. Hold on, dude. This does not make sense. It just disappears, dude. Huh? So it is working then, but it's not doing... Because it should be drawing that. Yeah. But it's not distorting it like I want it to. It's not doing anything, as a matter of fact. Alright, you know what? We'll come back to this. Everything is dark. Should we come back to it, or should we try to figure it out? Because it will be probably boring. Oh, definitely not. I can't figure out why. I don't. Okay, what I want to do is figure it out. Core, canvas, spring. For those who. Crescent numbers, you'll figure it out. See, I can do the rain just fine, but I can't, for some reason, I can't copy the screen buffer, and I don't know why. To the Pixie Tornado site. Yes. Huh. No, actually. We can do this all on our own. Check this out. Yep. Yeah, no, we can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We don't need to use any other previous doohickey. I know I can do it. I'm really feeling it, you know? I'm never saying that again, you know? I lied when I said we're not going to be using anything, but... let's go. Looks like we're gonna have to create like a universal filter, right? No. We're all fighting dreamers. Okay. Now, between that and where's the part that actually like creates the thing? No, I needed to get that. Just communication. I feel like I know that, but I don't. I'll drink to that. Update UVs. Oh. We don't need to call that function anymore. No, we don't. I am getting salty then. Now, why in the heck doesn't this wanna work right for me? I don't know. But I will say Santa Claus goes ho ho. I don't know. Yeah. dude, it's not updating the... Okay. I must figure this out. I don't want to, like, draw to an off-screen doohickey thingy-majig. Oh, I never, Oh. No, it is working. Parallel maps should do with chests after a player has already opened it on one of the maps. So instead of self switches, you would use like regular switches. You know what? I will get back to that. Learning about... No, I will not get back to it. I want to do this. Alright, I am actually... That's what I'll have to do. Maybe a separate switch revealing the chest for the player. Yeah. Seems about everything being drawn at once. Alright, let's try this. Let's reopen the OG one that I had that worked. Which I no longer is, well, it's not right there. It should be in Fedora. Should be in bin / here. Okay, let's see. What we got going on here? I have no idea what's going on here. Alright, plugins, let's see. Party follow. Auto move, release lighting. Wait a minute, is this, oh, okay, yeah, I know what's going on. Oh, I missed this. You guys remember how it looks, the light? Ah. Oh. That's so dope, dude. But did I have what I think I had here? Not in this one. So is it in... Okay, there's no way we're gonna do this without redoing the way that I even did that thing to begin with. So, what are we gonna do? Exactly that. I'm gonna make a new project for this though. I will put it in media. No, run media. William files. Use this folder. Yeah, it'll be in here. Why can't I type? Oh my gosh, dude. Fine, I'll put it in the Zypher Vortex folder. And for some reason it has to be called Project 1, okay. I'll get another drink. Yeah, that's exactly what's happening actually, Tara. At least I assume. And so, one way that I'm gonna try and fix that is to... What's that force? One way that I'm gonna try to fix that... Yes, I trust. Plugins is to just fresh, like start everything fresh. So I'm gonna do a simple interlacing filter to test it out. I'm just gonna call this core script for now. So let's make a function for this. That was like doubling or something? Maybe? That's a high possibility. Now, I am going to steal the shader loading code because that I wrote before because I don't want to rewrite that. There's no point to. It's really, really amazing to have. String code? No. What am I doing? It's Project 1. JS. Plugins. Should be in Beast Core. Yeah. Alright, so I think we're gonna go like actually professional on this one, not just beating around the bush style. So let's go ahead and do that. I TypeScript. Hold on, before I do that. Linux npm global path. I forgot how to do this here, so I know we like npm config get prefix. Remember having 2 transfer points in the same area in Flesh and Scream? Oh yeah. Oh dude, I bet that was eye pain. Alright. Yeah, I can do it that way. Yeah, why not? Key bindings, blah blah blah. I don't really care about that. Okay, but fine, I'll do the other way. Because I don't want to... I remember like one time I gave, like, I changed the permissions of like an important folder, and it did not go too well. It actually ruined the thing. Like I could no longer access sudo, so I had to like log into root through a TTY instead. I hate that they have like a space here, dude. Okay, I did have to update my... It should be... I did this before, but I cannot remember. Oh. What was it? I can't remember the source file that I had to, it was in config, right? Whatever, I just won't update the source files. C TypeScript. Dude, I think this is the first time that I've ever actually, like, stream for 2 hours and I still have some remote sense of energy. Every get auto run in parallel events mixed up. Sometimes, yes. Auto run will stop your character from moving. Player started like just turning in circles. Oh, that's great. I just had the dopest idea. Oh my yes. Alright, we're doing this. SRC. I'm gonna have to reload code. We are fighting dreamers, time we made the human. Alright. Nope. What am I doing that for? TSC. I thought so. Dagnabbit. Okay. Fedora source global. I'm just gonna cheat. Bash profile. Okay. Source bash profile. There. Excusez-moi. What? Okay. npm install g not updating. Okay, fine. You know what? Let's do it this way then. I will do code slash bash rc and now ls dot npm global slash binary slash tsc slash What? Well, okay then. Alias TSC equals nope. npm global / bin / TSC. Now I will resource that, and then there we go. Now we have it. Kind of annoying that I had to do it that way, but that's okay. Sounds delightfully violent. For me, making cutscenes takes a lot of effort and time. Counting squares for movement has to be right, or the NPC will soft lock the entire game. Yeah, you can always check the box that says ignore if can't move, but I did drink an old drink. I'll be right back. That was disgusting. This is why I need to stop hoarding my cans that I have in here. Alright. Yeah, module comment JS, root directory can be this /src. Wait. No, this is this is within the source files. And then the out directory will be JS/plugins. Why are you yelling at me? No, touch your phone. Oh yeah, no, don't worry about that. How old was it? How old is that? Oh, one of the first. Oh, it was very old. No, not very old. It was like last night. I left it in here before I went to bed, and the one that I had a minute ago, I got it mixed up with that one. And then plus the one that I had was empty, so I should have known. Yeah, so in all of programming, that's how it always is, Tara. In fact, it's to the point now where, like, if I were to, in the non-programming world, check out, like, an X and Y grid, I would be confused. Because in the world of programming, negative is up and left. So X negative is left, Y negative is up. It's locked to the top left corner of the map. I'm not sure why. I used to argue because he felt it should be on the MC. Wait, what? Oh. Yeah. So he just like yeeted to the top left. It's amazing. Okay. So, what we're gonna do is something entirely different for now. This is gonna be amazing and I cannot wait. I'm actually gonna write like a little compiler thing, sort of. You know what? Let's do this in. Let me copy the config real quick. Let's do this in a new folder entirely. So let's do RPG Maker converty thing. At this point, though, we're not doing anything that's ultra functional. We're just kind of having fun, but we're doing it as like professional as I know how, or will be doing. So, anyways, tsconfig.json. Okay, save you. src. bin. Yeah, we'll do bin. And then dang it. Index.ts. Now we watch. TSC command not found. Yes, it is. Okay, you know what? Why? Okay, interesting. I guess VS Code uses the actual bash thing, not your bash RC. That's interesting. Huh. Question. I know a thing, and I have no regrets. What's an everything croissant? I want one. And geometry positive numbers go up. Yeah, I know. Like that's why like if I ever like had to go back to school for some reason, I would be so confused. Well, not really. I mean, but I would. I would like to go back to school, but I would also hate it. Like just going to college just so that you can earn a degree that, well, let's be honest, you probably cheated on because you were tired of all the stress and BS of, like, the way that they have you do things. It's so stupid. Anyway, just to go through all that, just to get a degree that shows that you're capable of doing something that you already can do, it just feels like a giant waste to me. Okay. So we're gonna make a library folder. Okay, and I'm gonna do npm init y. Excuse me. Oh, I like that. Did something for me. Start will be node dot slash. Yeah, node dot, I think. Remember everything? Yeah, I didn't think so. Okay. Dot slash RBG maker converting thing. Okay, so we do need the index.js. That's fine. Or no, we didn't. We didn't need that. What does it need? Can't find module. Oh. What? Oh, what am I doing? No, not dot dot slash. There we go. Alright. Okay. See you in a bit, Airless. You were homeschooled? So I wouldn't know everything about public schools. Public schools suck, dude. I actually dropped out right at the end of 10th grade, like in 11th grade, because like it was insane, dude. Where like, okay, I went to a place called Richard Milburn Academy, and there were literal drugs and weapons. Like I actually bought a pair of brass knuckles because, you know, from somebody in a classroom right there, just so people would stop messing with me, like, because everybody daily would call you stuff like, well, anything offensive. Mostly the word faggot. Like, they would call you that a lot, like, nonstop. and then like they would continuously try to get you to fight them all the time, and it got exhausting, and it was so stupid, dude. I hated it. But yeah, drugs and stuff like were literally being sold right there, in the middle of class. Like alcohol was being drank and everything. It was like, and they were just completely unaware, the staff, and I'm like, yeah, I'm getting out of here. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is mostly writing like a thing that will let us organize scripting better. You'll see. It'll make sense as we go, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. So the first library that I'm gonna need is, I guess we'll do a regular expression library. Const regex. Wait, no. We're using TypeScript. Import regex from /libs/regex. Okay. Export regex. Const regex equals new class. There we go. We're gonna document this. This works, right? Yeah. Yes, it does. Okay. There it is. Welcome back. Oh, dude, nobody cared though. Like, it was bad. Middle school was similar, but without the drugs. Yes, they are. Never underestimate a teenager. They are full of destruction and hate. Lots of hate. Mostly because like they got stuck going through puberty. Stop. Okay. And I'm going to do a sample plugin. I want to change the world. And yeah, I'll work on the sample plugin thing in a minute. I think we'll do this after the imports. We'll do input file equals process.argb to, why is that? Can I find main process? Oh, yeah, okay. There we go. Oh, I have to save it in the thing? That's annoying. Oh well. I don't mind having it there. Or 6-year-old apparently. Them too. She's working on getting her PhD in computer science, and she wants to program for a supercomputer after she's finished. Would that happen to be a quantum computer? Because quantum programming is super interesting. Okay. Ooh, let's do it this way, yeah. Import star as project from process.argv2. Project is declared then. Yeah, we can do a TS ignore on this. And the sample plugin will have project.json, and the project.json will contain out file, my plugin, not JS, source file. This will be hooker run dot index.js. Yeah. All right. So now we have our project imported, and we need to make a little sample. So I'll do index.js. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like make custom things. You'll see. Not sure, she didn't go into details, but she learned all forms of computer language, so she can do just that. That's amazing. If I don't know about all forms because like it's a very diverse world, but yeah, like once you get familiar with one language, generally you can pick up on another, because programming languages are mostly consisted of just a few elements, and how to use those elements is the hard part. So you'll have variables, which in JavaScript's case is a var or a let, but in C you have like integers, floats, doubles, all that stuff. So you have your variables, you have your functions, which are things that you can store that can execute code once upon like being called. You have some forms, you have classes, which are basically just objects, which an object is just that. It's a struct, if you will. It's a structure. So this would be like a thing that has variables in it. My var 1, int var2, int var3, and so on and so forth. Once you have those fundamentals down, like searching the language that you're currently using is more of a thing of, okay, am I willing to sit through this insane boredom? That's pretty much all it is. Okay, so now I'm going to make use of the import function here. I wish I can get JavaScript not to tell me an error here, but that's okay. So I'm going to make use of the import in the regular JS. We're going to do libs / my function, and we'll create the libs. My function, function, and then basically I'm making it so you can import and then export. Like, you'll see. Combining scripts will be like the first feature of this fun little script thing that we're doing. Index.js, export, export equals, and then we'll say, we don't even need to do that. We'll just straight up do it normally. Function, my function, console.log. It worked. Now I want to be able to use these exports, so we'll say exp name equals well, no, we can just do that based on that, my function, yeah. Alright, okay, one thing at a time, otherwise I'll end up getting overwhelmed. Alright. imported my function. Okay, so now when we run this, if we do npm start, here, you know what? cd out or bin node.index.js, and then we'll do ./project.json. Oh, dot slash sample plugin. Yeah, and then, okay, here we go. Console.log projects. Invalid argument type. ID must be string, receive undefined. Why are you undefined? Okay. Let's check out the binary. Yes, module. Alright. In that case, we cannot do a quick load, unfortunately. So we will need to type the JSON for now. No, that was working. So what are you talking about? Oh no, it wasn't. Duh. Is this just not the one? Yeah. Cat sample plugin / project.json. Oh. Oh, I am actually not smart, dude. See, what happened was, I never finished, like, wait, you know I did? Alright, once I get this figured out, yeah, that's what I thought. So, but if it can't... Oh, yeah! Yeah, duh. That's mine. Resolve JSON module needs to be true. I forgot all about that. Why are you still yelling at me like that? See, if we just do this, then it'll work just fine, but I don't want to do that. Okay, why can import not? Huh. Why is import not working? I already changed the TS config so that it resolves JSON. Huh. Sure enough, it doesn't like the import. Okay, fine. Whatever, we'll just stick with the required then. No, that's booty, dude. I'm not gonna do that. Let me just look at this. TypeScript import JSON. Oh. So it should just be import project from that. Nope, that's what I thought. ES module intro? Interrupt? What the heck is that doing? Yeah, that's already true. Will it just not work? Like, with the process argv? That might be the case. So I think I know what's going on. As project from / sample plugin / see, if I do it directly, it works, but parsing it as okay, so process a CWD. But that's weird, dude. Why will it not allow? Surely there has to be a way, right? Like, I don't want to use require. And this right here is working just fine. No, it's not. Then... Oh, yeah. I guess we have to run it from the main thing. Yeah. That's so jank. At this point, I'd rather use the require function. Okay, RPG Maker converted things simple. Yeah. Yeah, so that's all working. But if we do this, for some reason, it doesn't like when you pass arguments through it. Yeah, dude. Oddly enough, you can't... Huh. I did not know that. That's good to know. Huh. Oh well. Project equals require process.argv. Well, without the replace. That sucks though. Like, I thought you could do that. Oh well, more you know. Yeah, and this will work just fine, right? Well, yeah, right now I can't find the thing, but... why can you not find it? Somebody thinks there's been such a mix of JS. What do you mean? Yeah, it's right there, dude. What do you mean you can't find this module? Look, I'm opening it right now. Oh, never mind. No, it's... yeah. What did I do? Uh-huh. Alright. Fine, I guess? Whatever. It'll work. Alright, so now we have the project thing going. And so I'm gonna do out file and source file. Anyway, yeah, now we're moving. What? Just now we're moving on though. This is gonna be cool when it's done. I promise. How's it been 2 hours and 36 minutes already though? Okay. Need to get rid of all these real quick. Import read file from node fs. Read file. We'll say you're doing things you enjoy. That's true. UTF-8 ERR data. What if we like store? Oh, I think I know how we can use the import. Hold on. I just had an idea. I had an epiphany. Const path equals that. Import star as well. Out file source file from path. No, that's not what I want to do. I guess we can't. No, we did. So this does work. So why are you yelling at me? Import declaration is string literal expected. That? Oh. Huh. I'll just do TS ignore on that. That doesn't make sense to me. But at least we got it. I think. Why does it... Oh, what's the difference between import and require? To be honest, nothing. Just the way it looks. And yeah, it's all done. Alright, screw the import function. There are like some differences, but they're so minuscule that like it's not really worth yeah. Okay, if error, throw error, console.log, data. What? Oh, where's my test file here? Wait, out file, oh, I was reading the out file. There we go. Okay. Sometimes the way you feel about it changes everything. It kind of does. Like, it just anything that can get you more motivated is, I feel like, pretty important. Even if it is a dumb thing. Return code. Well, yeah. Replace new regular expression. We can do it this way. We'll do import. Well, first off, we need regular expression. Just go my way. Mac, Windows, and Linux. Yeah, Visual Studio Code works on all of them, but right now I'm on a Linux system. I'm running Fedora, and I'm using the Budgie desktop at the moment. Although I also use i3 and pretty much any other desktop. Okay. Now, this should be import that. We'll just do full solid quotes. Well, that right there alone should work just fine, but if import this, that should not work. That's why the /b should be there. But that's not adding, it's not doing what I'm wanting it to for some reason. Huh. Non-word boundary. Why? I hate the insert function on this. All right. I accidentally keep pressing it. Dang it, why? Okay, keyboard. Or Craig Brain. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's what I was needing. Alright. Now we're gonna go to the regular expression. And then S, and then we'll say file. Return parse imports file. Why are you giving me an error? Okay. What? Fine. Force any. Why are you still yelling at me? Return any, and it does not have an return. Well, I beg to differ. Okay, you keep doing that. All right, so now we're gonna do regex dot parse imports from data. So now import here should become the very code that is in the thing. It did not. Oh, duh, because I am stupid. Okay, where is? There it is. sync. Alright, you're clearly having some kind of an attack. Look like GitHub or something. Oh, that's regular expression 101. Oh, Linux is a hacker's paradise? Honestly, Linux is for anyone who wants freedom. Like, you can customize the ever-living F out of your desktop. Check this out. Fanciest Linux customizations. This is an actual desktop that you can have. Like, it's so cool. Ooh, is this a deep end? Yeah, I think it's deep end. Hey, there's all kinds of cool things. Some people like. I would love a Pokemon one, but I don't feel like setting it up and all that. Fancy Pokemon Linux theme. I can't find any apparently. Why? Okay, I need to change that sometime in the future. Okay. Return, read. Here we go. Read file sync. Dir name. Well, hold on now. Source low path / file dot replace there we go. And we get an error because I can't find project adjacent. What are you talking about now? Yes, you can. Fine. Pass. Any. String. 2 arguments, but got 1. Oh, yeah. Oh, wrong one. And think we're good? Yeah, this should work. Okay. It's a directory apparently. Oh, yeah. Okay, good. So that means it's working. Index. .js. Yeah, dude, there it is. Nice. That was overly complicated, but have you seen the trailer for Palworld? I have not, but I am getting mighty tired, so I think I'm gonna end the stream here in a minute. I want to see the trailer though. The trailer for Palworld. Yes, please. I want. Very inspired by Lucario there. A lot of these I can see like the insane. What? Like him? Yeah, okay, that's like straight up a 1-to-1. You know? I have so many mixed feelings about this. Alright, I need to... Got yeeted, dude. This is dope. Another Lucario inspiration there. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, when's this coming out? Is it already out? Come on. No, it's coming out in 2023 at some point. Adding that to my wish list. That's awesome. Alright, but yeah, thank you all for joining, and have a good night.